This video is about the PLK Upgrade A3 Plus DTF printer, and it is absolutely worth buying for serious garment printing. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below. The PLK Upgrade A3 Plus DTF printer is designed for creators and small businesses that want faster production without compromising print quality. Powered by an XP600 printhead, it delivers impressive double-speed output compared to older models, which is a huge advantage when handling bulk orders or tight deadlines. Print quality is sharp and vibrant, with fine details that look professional on custom apparel, hoodies, and fabric products. One of the biggest strengths of this setup is the fully automated powder shaker and dryer. It removes the need for manual powder application, saving time and reducing material waste. Paired with a smoke purifier, it also creates a cleaner and safer working environment, which is especially important for enclosed workshops. The dual white ink circulation and stirring system is another highlight, as it helps prevent ink settling and clogging, extending printhead life and reducing maintenance headaches. Daily operation is simple thanks to the 4.5-inch touchscreen control, making adjustments quick even for beginners. The built-in film cutter further improves workflow by delivering clean, precise cuts without extra tools. Plus, the complete package includes film, inks, powder, and accessories, so you can start printing right away. On the downside, this DTF printer supports Windows only, so Mac users will need a workaround. It is also a heavy, industrial-grade machine, meaning you'll need dedicated space. Still, for the performance, automation, and long-term reliability it offers, the value is strong. For anyone serious about scaling custom garment printing, checking the link in the description below is highly recommended to see current pricing and availability.